Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you the best general hotkeys to use in Blender. So let's jump right into the video. So the first one is the one that is very useful when you change from object mode to edit mode, which is when you select object, just press on your keyboard tab and you go to edit mode without having to go here and then click edit mode, and it takes more time. The second one is G, and it's very useful. When you press G, you can move your object, you can move your object, right? You can also, when you press G, you can hold X, this so you can go on this axis, Y, and also Z, and that's very useful. And another one that I use a lot is R. You can rotate your object, and S if you want to scale as well. Press S. Now you can scale. Now if you want to delete, you have to press an X and you can delete. X. If you want to hide, let's say I want to hide this, okay, I want to hide this face, just press H, and now as you can see. And next one is just to, when you press Shift A, you have meshes you can add without having to go here and then click, which takes more time. Now if you want to duplicate, right, Shift D to duplicate. Shift D if you want to duplicate. And Shift R just repeats the duplication. Shift R. Right? And we also have Z if you want to change the shading. So Z, you can change the shading, and also Shift S if you want to snap the 3D cursor, snap to select or cursor to word. Okay, and that's pretty much it. That's the general shortcuts key, the hotkeys to use in Blender. Those are very useful when you start in Blender. I hope this short tutorial helped you out and saved you time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.